they found out that they could not restore a record. So now we're going to talk about our process and how our process is actually helping in basically taking care of your records. So, remember I talked about the pressing oil. This man is not happy. It's stuck. So how, now he has maybe 12 of these in the machine, waiting to come out. They're all no good. So he actually uses a polish for car wheels. And he puts it, you can see the polish, like a wax polish. He puts it on the stamper to help to get the defective records out. So that also proves my discovery that you need to have an oil that comes out. So here, we bought a very expensive microscope to prove to the audiophile community back in 2018 that yes, there is an oil. How do I know? Here I took a picture with our microscope where it's 54.2 microns in height, the record total. Bottom of the groove to the top of the record. You can see something here, little round bubbles, release agent. So we take this record, we put it in our machine, and here we're now at 42.99 microns. We've reduced the height of the record. Why? No more oil. Now, this picture was taken in 2019. You can see there's a detail here, and this is the same record, but this is the same record. Other slides that you'll see show the same groove. So here, what your needle is doing is your needle is playing this oil. So that's why your needles get dirty. And also, you do not hear the pressing. Here is what was pressed. I want to play this. I don't want to play this and the oil. So by removing this, we now have more signal coming out of the cartridge to the preamplifier. So now I see and feel the music that was hidden by the oil. So this is at, again, ARSC, visit to Cascadia Records. This company does not make 20,000 record, 500, 1,000 record. They play nearly every record. So you can see area is dirty, okay? It's dirty. We'll drink here. So here they play a record, and if they have 2 pops or less, pass. 3 pops or more, chop, 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 rebuild. So I asked her to stop. I said, this record you approve? Yes, it's very good. Please play again. She played the record again. More pops. 5 pops, not 2. Oh, she said, defective record. I said, no, not defective. This area is dirty, okay? So when you play a record on your turntable, the needle makes 1,200 degrees, plus or minus, very hot. The oil bubbles. So the dust in your house, here, the dust in this test area falls on the record and then cools. Now we have new pops. So that's why when you play records, before you play records, doesn't matter whether they... Then I said, let's play the record again. We played the record 4 more times, no pops. So it proves that once the pressing oil That sure called 50 years ago, and me, my discovery of oil, which is a release agent. No oil, no pressing release agent, no pops, and better signal. So here, in 2019, as analog editor, he did not believe this. So, this is a Keyence VHX 7000 2D, 3D microscope. Very expensive, and it allows me to not just look 2D picture, like everyone else. I can see what's in the groove. So here, this is this record, H2O. There's a spot here. Every time I play, that spot pop. So here you see the dust in the record groove. And the height of the record, 31.84 microns. That's the height, from the bottom to the top. So here, with our process, we remove the oil. Look, the dust is gone, and we've gone from 31.8384 minus 30.94, 0.89 has been removed of release agent. It's gone. So your needle now doing two things. No more pop, but look at the detail. Detail is on the side. Left channel, right channel, more detail. So that's why with the release agent removed, I now hear better. I see the imagery. So we offer about 1.3 dB extra out of the cartridge to the phono stage preamplifier.